everyone, I'm Manjula with you. List of Tirupati festivals in December released. The temple has released a list of festivals to be held in Tirumalai in December. Festivals are held daily in Tirumalai. It includes not only the festivals of the seven mountains but also the festivals of the Almighty. The temple publishes a list of festivals that take place during the month before the start of each month. Accordingly, the temple has published a list of festivals to be held in Tirumalai in December. The list is as follows. December 2, Dhanvantri Jayanti. 4, Gaja Vehicle Service. 8, Panchami. Special anointing for Anjaneyer on the last Sunday of December 12. December 14, Geeta Jayanti. 15, Chakradita Triangle. 16 is the beginning of the lunar month. 18, Sri Datta Jayanti. 19, Paurnami Garuda Service. Sabarimala Christmas Special Trains. A special fare train with fully booked boxes is operated to avoid congestion during Sabarimala and Christmas. According to a press release issued by the Southern Railway, the Railway Board has approved the operation of special fare trains with fully booked compartments to avoid congestion during Sabarimala and Christmas. In the return direction, the train will leave Chennai Central at 4 p.m. on December 3, 10, 17, 24, 31, January 7, 10, 12 and 14 and reach Kollam at 8:30 a.m. the next day. In the return direction, the train will leave Kollam at 11:30 a.m. on December 5, 12, 19, 26, January 2, 9, 11, 13 and 16 and reach Chennai at 4 a.m. the next day. In the return direction, another train will leave Chennai Egmore at 3:30 p.m. on December 23 and reach Nagarkoil at 4:20 a.m. the next day. The train will leave Nagarkoil at 3:10 p.m. on the 24th and reach Chennai Egmore at 5:20 a.m. the next day. In the return direction, the train will leave Nagarkoil at 7:30 p.m. on November 26 and reach Tambaram at 7:55 a.m. the next day. In the return direction, the train will leave Nagarkoil at 4 p.m. on October 27 and reach Nagarkoil at 4:20 a.m. the next day. Rescue by boats in Chennai floods floating in torrential rains. People in Chennai have been suffering due to the increase in the amount of rainwater in various residential areas which were already affected by the heavy rains of the last few days. People living in the affected areas locked their houses and took refuge in relatives' houses. More than 70 people stranded in low-lying residential areas were rescued by boats with the help of fishermen from the police and fire department. Camps have been set up at the corporation chap to rescue those affected by the rains. Food parcels were distributed 3 times. Power outages in some places. You are being evacuated from the tunnels. CBI selects Special Director for Interpol Board. CBI Special Director Praveen Sinha, who contested on behalf of India, has been selected for the Executive Committee of Interpol. Interpol, an international police organization, works internationally against terrorism, drug trafficking and cybercrime. The 89th Interpol General Assembly is being held in Istanbul, Turkey. Elections were held for 2 members to be elected from Asia to the Board of Directors of Interpol. The competition was between India, Singapore, China, Korea and Jordan. CBI Special Director Praveen Sinha, who contested on behalf of India, was elected as a member of the Executive Committee. Praveen Sinha was supported by various countries. Indian officials contacted the embassies of various countries to mobilize support. Foreign officials say India's global campaign has been successful. Gujarat IPS officer Praveen Sinha is currently the special director of the CBI. Foreign officials have said that India will play a more active role in Interpol's efforts to curb international crime with the election of Praveen Sinha. India ranks third in organ donation. India ranks third in the world in the number of organ donations and organ transplants. The number of annual organ donations rose to 12,746 in 2019, according to the Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia. Democracy can only be strengthened if the judiciary, the legislature, and the administration are in harmony. The President. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949. This day is celebrated as Constitution Day. President Ramnath Kovind addressed the closing ceremony of the Constitution Day celebrations at the Supreme Court in the capital, Delhi. The political system is like a blueprint for our collective journey. At its core are justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Justice is the core system by which democracy revolves. Democracy can only be strengthened if the judiciary, the legislature, and the administration are in harmony. Thus he said. Prime Minister Modi praises Tamil Nadu DGP. The all-state DGP's conference was recently held in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah were among those present. The Tamil Nadu DGP was present at the conference. Prime Minister Modi spoke privately with Shyamendra Babu and took a photo. According to home officials, you are going to Mahabalipuram on a bicycle. I saw it on social websites. So happy. Prime Minister Modi has told Shailendra Babu that he has kept his body in shape. During the meeting, Shailendra Babu presented a 15-page report to the Prime Minister. Have a successful day. See you again. Thank you.